to try and go to the other markets. Hopefully these markets are better than the first ones. This market looks like more our cup of tea, not a tourist trap.
Hopefully more Australian.
We should have been leaving today, but we're extending our holiday. Not our fault. What a shame.
We didn't plan it.
Now we're a bit unsure on what we're going to do for the rest of the time we're here, because we got to be cautious with our spending, especially accommodation. Can't stay in the car because it's going to go into repair.
This boy will not stop drinking these dirty energy drinks. Gross. Look at the size of it.
Gives you wings.
Ooh.
Gives you wings.
Gross.
Didn't Red Bull get sued for saying it gives you wings?
I don't know.
And that's why now they say gives you WIINGS.
No, really?
Yeah.
Why? Does someone say it didn't give me wings?
Pretty
and
much.
sued them?
Pretty much, yeah.
That is so dumb. So our hotel is in a really good location in the Docklands. The 34-minute walk to the South Melbourne markets. We're gonna have a little stroll, see what's around. There's that Oakwood. It's that way.
Here's an update. Red Bull will pay $10 to customers disappointed the drink didn't actually give them wings. So they had to settle a $13 million lawsuit because they didn't get wings.
What the hell?
Here we are.
Here we are.
On a bridge.
A bridge. Some fancy boats. This one is mine. What's here? Pretty.
It's very nice. This is my favorite bridge.
We arrived. It's here. I hope it's good. All this. All these cars.
That is more like it.
Cake. Look, the bacon cheesecake. It's all amazing. Some tarts, mini tarts. We have to get some of this deliciousness for our boat. See how I stepped up?
Oh, you can't bend your knees. You're also dirty.
Barely. What the hell?
Piggy.
They're lovely, that's cool. I like that.
Awesome.
That's my favourite. That is awesome. I got a matcha and a bounty. This one here, he got a Ferrero Rocher. And he's trying to hide it from me and not give me any pieces.
Actually, I got a Ferrero Rocher mint and hazelnut. It was a 3-scoop.
3-scoop.
And then I secretly got to the Ferrero Rocher, but I'm not mentioning anything because I don't want to have any. Try it.
Sneaking the best flavour. Oh yeah, that's the best.
That's why I kept it from you.
Look at that.
Melbourne has so much just cool art everywhere.
This is a cool area, this one. It's just really Melbourne-y. This is what I thought it'd look like, you know? Awesome. And just nice restaurants and cafes and bakeries. So cute. I think we're at the Botanical Gardens, see? That was a pretty long walk.
We're about to get to the Shrine of Remembrance, just over this hill. But it's taking like 2 hours because someone's being extremely slow.
It's a long walk.
It's not that long of a walk.
There's 4,000 medals and each represents 100 Victorians who have served in the war or peacekeeping and 6 who have died.
We have been to a lot of museums so far.
We have actually.
We've never been to this many
We've been very
museums.
cultured.
Yeah.
boat.
So an interesting thing about this place is there's a hole in the roof up there. And every year on Remembrance Day, natural light comes in and shines on this stone and highlights the word love. Interesting, eh?
Yes.
It's like a horror house. Ooh, spooky.
Fantastic view from up here, isn't it? We're in the Botanic Gardens. It's very cute. Got bamboo.
A little bit of information. She's in charge of the camera, so if we're just appearing and disappearing in random places, she keeps forgetting to film.
Cute dog alert. Good fluffy dog. Very nice.
Said, what does the seagull sound like in the distance? Can't do it now. Sounds like an owl.
Here we make our way through the treacherous gardens. These giant steps.
Look how she has to walk up the stairs because her jeans are too tight. You're not doing it so much anymore. Your legs swing. Well, there's the Shrine of the Winds.
Nice.
Shrine of the Winds. Temple of the Winds. Can I help you?
Yes.
What do you want? No, this is a PG channel.
That's a cuddle.
No, no cuddling.
So we stumbled upon
Yeah, I don't know what's going
little
on, but
festival. It's a free event. I think it's a Latin festival. Let's go get some cool food and drink. And barbecue over here. There's so much happening. Yeah, isn't it? So we settled on a Brazilian barbecue. Look at that roll. Good. And I got a mixed feast of meat. So it's steak, sausage, and something else. I can't remember.
You're still eating? I've already finished mine.
I can't think of it.
Nah, we've literally been queuing for like 6 minutes for churros.
Be sad about it. You wanted to do
I know,
it.
this is... and we're not even... We've taken like 4 steps.
Yes.
Surprise, surprise. I've got a beer in my hand.
Hey.
The non-beer drinkers been drinking beer every single day. Already eaten half. We've got loads, and you've got churro dust
All over me.
on your glasses, nose, face. I've got it absolutely everywhere. Did you film any of the barracks?
No.
No, surprise, surprise.
Did not.
Forgetting to film. We're in. Well, we're in. Tour. You think you're gonna survive? Taking everything we own because we have to carry the car tomorrow. And I have this. Yeah, 3 bags, but 3 of the biggest, heaviest bags.
That way.
Correct, I can do it. You ready? Oh, she's gonna kill me. I just rode up to the 8th floor without her clothes right in the face, but the boxes were too big so she couldn't squeeze in. It wasn't my fault. It just went. I pressed 8 and it went.
Oh, the button for me.
See? Yeah, no, but look,
yours.
as soon as you press it.
That's closed.
Yeah, but as soon as you press it, it goes. Long walk to the room. Ta-da! Who's ready for a room?
I'm ready. Oh, cool. Kitchen, desk, wee bed, views of the street and some high rises,
Ooh, some
which is
high
quite
rise.
cool actually.